IDAERO. IDAERO. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about IDAERO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 380. IDAERO. Again, it's IDAERO. This pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is I, second syllable is de, and third syllable is ro. Pronounce it with me. IDAERO. IDAERO. The word IDAERO is used to say that something is done like this as it has always been. So the usual way of doing it. How do we write IDAERO in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable I, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyong followed by the I character. For the second syllable de, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an e character. And then for the last syllable ro, we need to draw first a real character followed by an o character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word IDAERO. Now here's a quick comparison between IDAERO and iroke. So iroke is a word that's already discussed on this channel, and this is used to say that something is done like this. So it's used to indicate that something is done like how it's supposed to be. As compared to IDAERO, it's a way of saying that something should be done like this as it is. So it means to stay like this or to keep being like this way. So with that, you've just learned IDAERO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 370 to 379. But don't forget our word for today, word number 380, IDAERO, which means like this as it has always been. The first word for our review is 의자, which means chair. Next word is 매일, which means everyday. Next word is 연필, which means pencil. Next word is 지루해, and this is used to say I'm bored of it. Next word is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next word is 지루하다, which means to be boring or tedious. Next is 근데 왜, and this is used to say, but why? Next word is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next is 잘했어, which means good job. And the last word for our review is word number 370. It's 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Congrats! You learned another word today. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.